What are you doing here?
Oh, just dropped by to see how you were doing. Hey, what's all this stuff? Have you decided to move?
No, listen, can you just sit on the couch for now?
Yeah.
I mean, it's just I'm packing up all of Kate's stuff and trying to keep it organized, right?
Yeah. Listen, about Kate, I'm still in shock. Can't believe she would just up and leave like that. In the gallery? Since she just left all her work behind.
Yeah, well, you know, I think you know a woman for 6 years and she dumps you for some asshole in Paris.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Well, you know, it's like whatever. I mean, I'm already dating somebody else, so it's all good. I'm going hiking tomorrow. So.
Wow. That's, Hey, it looks like you're packing up mostly artwork. Is this all from the gallery? Hey, is that a Doug Olson up there? Doug Olson, that color field painter who used to teach at Hunter?
Pretty sure, yeah, that's a Doug Olson, yeah.
Hey, wait, and this? Stanley Lewis, I love this painter. He might not have been famous, but he should have been. He was just as good as, or better than, his contemporaries. Are you sure you're packing all this stuff up?
Yes, I'm packing it all up. It's all known, all right? There's all this Kate stuff. She'd just drag it home from the gallery. You know, if it's up to me, I'd stick it all in a pile and burn it, bitch. I mean, this, right? Supposed to be some piece of high art. Looks like a fucking paperweight.
No way. The design, the form, it's incredible. And a signature? Oh my God, I can't believe it. This is actually an authentic Brancusi.
Yeah, it's a Brancusi. It's going in a box with the rest of it.
Hey David, how can I help?
Okay, it's good. I got it.
Oh, no, I insist.
Hey, listen. If you want to help, why don't you grab that box and bring it down to the basement?
Sure. Happy to help.
Yeah, it's just out the door to the right and down the stairs.
All right, neighbor.
Let's bring it in. You got it?
Yeah.
All right. So let's just step on this thing here, right? And then you grab in the corner over here. So I heard you get like laid off or something?
I didn't get fired or anything. Just in between jobs, you know.
Yeah. How long has that been going on?
Not long. 6 weeks.
What'd you say?
Couple weeks.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Sure you're gonna find something. Get out of here. All right, that's it.
Hey, I noticed you had more stuff upstairs. Do you want me to help you with that too?
That's it. We're good. We're good. Call it a day now. Thanks. Coming?
Yeah. Bye.